So then guys, I've owned my iPhone 15 Pro Max now for over a month, and something what's made my iPhone experience a little bit more special is these right here. This is the Rokid Max AR glasses, and they're absolutely fantastic. And I've been wearing these, there we go, I've put them on my face there, for the last sort of few weeks now with my iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I've also been using them with this new Rokid Station. Now, this may just look like a remote control, but in fact it isn't. This actually has its own sort of board inside it, and it gives you a full Android TV experience what is wired up to these glasses, what is absolutely amazing. And I'll tell you a little bit more about the Rokid AR Joypack in just a moment, but let me just show you a quick unboxing here. So as you can see here, I have the Rokid Max AR Glasses box. I also have the Rokid Station 2, and I also have a Rokid remote, was a Bluetooth remote too. Unboxing the Rokid Max AR glasses was really easy. It's a really smart box and I absolutely love it, and it was really easy to set up too. These glasses are absolutely amazing, and the actual little mini projectors that shine down from the top here actually give you around about a 360-inch display if you were sitting about 10 meters away from it. That is amazing. That's like cinema sort of screens actually on these glasses when you put them on. And you can actually connect up, like I said, to your iPhone. And if you've got an iPhone 15 Pro Max like I've got here, you can actually use a USB-C plug and just plug it in and it just works straight away. And also if you've got Android phones, and also you can use adapters too to lightning, you can actually use these glasses, what's absolutely amazing. And I can actually see here my actual menu screen of my actual phone that I've got right here, what is brilliant. So everything that I've got on my screen right here is actually being displayed in front of my eyes here. So you know, if I scroll around and things like this is actually being duplicated actually into my eyes right now. What's absolutely amazing. The glasses are also super light too. They only come in at 75 grams. And do you see these dials at the top here? Well, you can actually twiddle them to help you if you've got sort of short-sightedness as well, to actually adjust it to your actual eyesight. And Apple, at the end of the day, when they bring out their Vision Pro early next year, you can actually be charged to actually put lenses inside of them. So this is really good to have these dials actually in these glasses. Something else that is really cool about these glasses is the actual brightness of the projectors are actually running at 600 nits. That's really bright. Then also the refresh rate is 120 hertz. That's the same as an iPhone 15 Pro Max here with its Pro Motion display. So you're getting that quality in here. You're not losing any of that sort of refresh rate. You are getting a full 120 hertz experience, what is absolutely amazing. The other cool thing you can do with these glasses is actually stick on this frame here, what actually blackens out everything around you. So you can have that full sort of cinema experience without no interruptions whatsoever, what I absolutely love. And I just want to show you guys here what my iPhone 15 Pro Max looks like through one of these glasses with the projector here. You can see here, here's my main menu as I'm flicking around. What is absolutely awesome is literally a duplicate mirror of my iPhone. But moving on, there is also this. This is the Rokid Station. And like I said earlier, it does look like a remote control and it does function as that too. But what is amazing about it is actually it's got a Google Android TV built actually into this device here. And it allows you to plug it into your glasses. And in fact, this is the first world certified Android Google TV device what actually works with AR glasses. So that is a first, what's absolutely amazing. And it allows you just to pop them on, and then what you can do is you can actually navigate around and watch programs like YouTube, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and many more, as you can see right here. The Rokid Station is fully Wi-Fi enabled, so you can connect it to your nearest Wi-Fi, and also has a 5,000 milliamp battery inside of this to keep you going, watching multiple movies and things like this. That's a great battery life. And also you can charge it at the same time as watching via the mini HDMI port. And then just to top it up, guys, if you have, say, a mini HDMI to HDMI adapter, you can plug the, say, into your TV while you're on the go, and then you can also use the Rokid Bluetooth remote to use it with it, what is really, really awesome. Or if you just want this in your pocket and then you just want to control things by the remote instead, you can do this while wearing the glasses too. To use the Rokid Station, all you have to use is use this mini HDMI to USB-C adapter here, and I just plug up my glasses there and I can see everything on the go here. What's absolutely amazing. The Rokid Station sends all the video and all the sound down this cable to my glasses. And talk about the sound is absolutely amazing here. Really, really good sound. So you don't have to wear AirPods or earpods or anything like that. It's actually all built into the lenses here, which is really, really awesome. But overall, as you can see here, you can go into such apps like Disney Plus, and here we go, I can mess around in the menu system, and this is the actual sort of footage I'm getting here. You've got to forgive me as I'm using my camera to record the actual sort of projector onto the lens here, but as you can see, looking at Star Wars bits and pieces and other things, and coming out to the main menu, it's really easy to navigate around with the Rokid Station remote. And there we have it again, guys. You can see here is that it's just all plugged in and it's working absolutely amazing. So if you do want to make your iPhone 15 experience even better, I would highly recommend getting these Rokid Max AR glasses, because they are absolutely amazing to wear and they feel really comfortable. And then also the Rokid Station just makes the experience even more cooler, what I absolutely love. And if you absolutely love the sound of these new glasses and also the Rokid Station 2, do check out my description right now, because Rokid have got some fantastic deals going on for both of these right now, so do check them out. And with that, guys, I'm going to take my glasses off. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please do press the like button, and also at the same time as well, if you want to hear the latest news of technical news and reviews and comparisons, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also hit that notification bell too. Until next time, guys, I will see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.